Okay, what is it?
And my best is a brush paint of a baby.
It's a brush
Yeah.
and a comb. Who's on it?
Emma.
It's a baby Emma. Okay, what else is in the box? What's that?
This one in the banana.
Okay, what is it? What do you think it is?
Pizza.
It's a bracelet.
Bracelet.
Oh my goodness.
Kitty bracelet.
A kitty bracelet.
Kitty bracelet.
Is there anything else? Did Grammy give you anything else in the box? What is it? What do you see? You pull it? Is it stuck?
Yeah.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Oh, look what's coming out. What are those?
Lunchbox candy.
Yay! Oh my goodness, Grammy. Say, oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,